Hello everyone. I am Professor and Architect Yuvraj from Nitte School of Architecture, Planning and Design. I am very happy to take part in this wonderful workshop event of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Before I start presenting my topic, which is on energy efficiency in building design, construction, material and technology, just a few words about Atmanirbhar Bharat. Self-reliant is the main motto of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Hindi phrase used and popularized by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, and the Government of India in relation to economic development in the country during and after the COVID 19 pandemic. The term Atmanirbhar Bharat, used as an umbrella concept in relation to making India bigger and more important part of the global economy, pursuing policies that are efficient, competitive, and resilient, and being self sustaining and self generating. Over the years, efficient energy usage has become an increasingly important issue throughout the world due to the problem of global warming. There is currently a push for everyone to turn toward energy efficient products and design, including the design of buildings in the construction industry. Why energy efficient buildings are important? Global warming has become incredibly hot topic issue, and one of the best ways to combat this adverse effect on the environment is to turn to more energy efficient design and construction. By reducing number of natural resources for creating building, we can significantly decrease the number of greenhouse gases released in the environment. Energy efficient buildings are high performing buildings created with different building materials, methods, and other resources, and therefore they are environment friendly structure. Now let us see the benefits of energy efficient buildings. Number one, energy efficiency saves money. Commercial and office buildings utilize a lot of energy to operate. There is a huge consumption of utility power on heating and cooling. By making the investment in creating energy efficient buildings, many of these costs can be drastically reduced. Next, better return on investment. By creating energy efficiency buildings, we are ensuring the building longer lifespan and requires less serious repairs over time. As a result, the building will have much higher return on investment. Thirdly, qualify for special programs, rebates and incentives. With this new push, government has introduced numerous programs to encourage owner to invest in green energy and building. There are incentives and rebates for every aspect of energy efficiency, from installing solar panels to installing a more efficient HVAC system. Lastly, reduce additional effects of harmful greenhouse gases. Our aim should be to limit the amount of greenhouse gases to put into the atmosphere. One way to do this is limit the amount of carbon output and pollution your building creates. By obtaining green certificates for the design buildings, you are committed to the limitations and eliminations of your greenhouse gases contribution to making green conscious era. Now let us understand some of the salient features of energy efficient buildings. Some general features are close proximity to public transit, which reduces greenhouse gas emissions, eliminates reliance on cars and bikes that releases harmful gases to the environment. And we can orient your building to take advantage of sun, light and place windows accordingly. And we can take advantage of existing structure. Instead of building an entirely new structure, retrofit the old one to your needs. Alternatively, if you have to build a new building, should be built with an idea of retrofitting in mind. Then choose the smallest building possible. By going smaller, your building will require fewer materials and less energy to function, saving thousands in construction and operation cost. Keep various energy efficiency standards in mind while designing a new building. By achieving the standards of LEED and IGBC, you can ensure that you will create green and energy efficient structures. Next, have proper insulation to your building. By properly insulating the building with a quality product, no need to worry about hot or cold air escaping therefore helping you saving your utility bill. These buildings are called as high performative buildings. Choose the right windows while designing a building. Choose double or triple pane and low emissivity windows which can help insulate and protect the building. The chart clearly shows what are the various design aspects to be kept in mind while designing a performative building. Insulation of the envelope is the first step to improve energy efficiency. Next, use insulated concrete. Insulated concrete forms coupled with metal framing help create a more durable, energy efficient structure. These buildings can withstand extreme weather condition also. Consider installing solar panels in each and every building you design. Solar panels drastically cuts the amount you spend in lighting and running various appliances and machines. Many states and cities also offer great incentives for the installation of solar panels. And under the heating and cooling considerations, while designing, select a high efficiency HVAC system. Makes sense to choose one that is Energy Star rated, which requires less energy to function. Change filters regularly. Filters can become dirty and clogged with dirt, which reduces working efficiency of HVAC machines. To avoid breakdown, keep your air ducts clean. Periodic maintenance helps in keeping the HVAC in top shape. Use a sealant to prevent HVAC air leaks. Seal all air leaks and any potential air leaks in HVAC system. Detectors and sensors also helps in identifying these problems, thereby making your building energy efficient. The picture clearly shows the various way we can install, the various design features, thereby reducing the load on utility power. Next, place vents in the right places. Placement of vents is critical in HVAC system. It should be placed strategically in norms, in rooms and always in such a way cleaning and maintenance is easy. It should not be blocked by furniture. Programmable thermostats. Programmable thermostats can help create energy efficient commercial buildings by allowing HVAC to be set at specific temperatures at different times of the day. Other energy efficient features also we can look into it. Install LED lights. All of us know LED light bulbs use only 50% electricity than other bulbs, last longer, perform better, turn on instantly and can easily be paired with dimmers to create more energy efficiency. Choose Energy Star appliances always. Star rated appliances like refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, dryers and even dehumidifiers all are contributing to the energy efficiency which requires less energy to run. Next, invest in energy efficient water heaters. 7% of energy is consumed by water heaters in commercial buildings. Tankless system, high efficient water storage tanks, heat pump, water heaters or even solar water heaters can reduce the operating cost. Choose the right window treatments. Having window treatment can have a surprising effect in making energy efficient building. For example, having blinds helps in controlling the amount of sun your building receives. The pictures clearly shows the various way we can save energy at home. So each and every residence can adopt this technique to save energy. Install ceiling fans to reduce the load on HVAC system. In addition to window treatment, having fans throughout the building will also help to spread hot and cold air produced by HVAC system. This helps in keeping your HVAC from working too hard and save your money. Consider task lighting. Instead of lighting the entire building, even area not in use, the task lighting saves money and energy. Consider dimmable lights also. Alternatively, there is also the option of dimmable lights, which is excellent when paired with LED lights. The intensity of light get adjusted depending on the amount of sunlight enters in your building. In energy efficient building, using the right materials also plays an important role. From foundation to roof, designing with suitable materials and appropriate material, we can save lot of energy. To conclude, creating energy efficient building is the way of future. These buildings not only saves their owners great deal of money, but they also show respect on the environment. There is no denying the benefits of an energy efficient buildings, and creating one is not difficult. Features like this mentioned above are the basis of functional, energy efficient buildings, and including them in your own design will save you money, energy, and earn you a respect within your community. Thank you.